Introducing the next evolution in heavy-duty machinery, the Liebherr PR766 Crawler Bulldozer. This powerhouse represents the pinnacle of cutting-edge technology, promising a revolution in performance, efficiency, and durability. Liebherr, renowned for its exceptional crawler tractors, has surpassed all expectations with the PR766, raising the bar in the industry. Weighing between 101,854 and 119,491 pounds, this beast replaces its predecessor, the PR764, and comes equipped with a formidable 422 horsepower V8 engine. What sets it apart? It not only exceeds Tier 4 final compliance standards but also achieves this without a diesel particulate filter. How? Through proprietary technologies like the common rail injection system and specialized engine control, the PR766 optimizes combustion to minimize particulates. This, coupled with selective catalytic reduction, ensures environmental responsibility without compromising power. But power isn't the only highlight. Liebherr's exclusive proactive power adjustment system intuitively boosts engine power as needed, enhancing torque output and responsiveness. And let's talk about the hydrostatic drive, unique to the PR766, which eliminates wear-prone components like torque converters and multi-speed gearboxes. This design ensures consistent speed regardless of load. Uneven terrain? Not a problem. The oscillating undercarriage adapts to changes in elevation and rugged ground conditions, offering enhanced traction, smoother rides, and prolonged component lifespan. Fuel efficiency matters, and Liebherr's Eco Mode caters to various conditions, optimizing fuel consumption while maintaining functionality. Step inside the cab, a spacious haven designed for ease of operation. From one-lever control for driving and steering to a color touchscreen display, ergonomic controls, and 360 degrees visibility, every detail focuses on operator comfort and safety. Maintenance? Simplified. Centralized service points, easy access via tilting cab and wide-opening compartments, and extended service intervals make upkeep hassle-free. And let's not forget Liebherr, Liebherr's advanced fleet monitoring system, offering remote data access, safety features, and anti-theft protection. In essence, the Liebherr PR766 isn't just a crawler bulldozer, it's a masterpiece engineered for maximum performance, efficiency, and operator comfort. See it in action. Watch as it conquers challenges effortlessly in an Austrian iron mine. The Liebherr PR766 isn't just a machine, it's a game changer in the world of heavy equipment.